Now, how could you fix the iPad boot loop? So let me talk about it and show you some things you can do. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So of course, the boot loop, by that we mean that the iPad, it just keeps on restarting and over again and seemingly cannot stop, right? So if that is the case, the first option to do is to force restart the iPad, which, as you know, is using the physical buttons on the side. So you would press the volume up, volume down, and then you would hold down on the actual power button in order to restart the iPad fully. And if this helps you out, then good, because sometimes it does get the job done in case that the software is kind of like struggling to get started. But it might also not be enough, because it's possible that you can just connect the iPad through the cable to your computer and perform the force restart again. So you would perform the very same gesture of pressing volume up, volume down, and the power button. But then you would not release the buttons when you see the Apple logo. Instead, try to keep on holding until it's going to say connect to computer, which is basically the recovery mode. And then you will be able to continue with the next steps on your computer. So it would ask you if you want to restore it or do something else, and it's going to allow you to get the iPad started through the computer. So I hope I was able to help you out and explain how it could work. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely stay tuned for more topics and tutorials like this one. For now, that's it, and I'll see you later.